Kyle Bradge from Chaparral Motorsports, and today we're going to be installing the FLO Motorsports Billet aluminum foot pegs. These are lighter and as strong, if not stronger, than the OEM pegs here. The other thing that's nice are these cleats. These cleats give you a broad base with a nice narrow top, so you get great footing and great feel to the peg while in your motocross boots. That's the main reasons that we're going to swap this OEM peg out for one from FLO Motorsports. The installation is pretty simple. We're going to do the cotter pin here at the bottom, drive this pin out the top, go ahead and swap over this return spring to the new peg, slide the peg in place, remove the pin, and then reinstall the cotter pin. Let's get busy. So cotter pin on the bottom can be a little bit tricky sometimes. You just got to make sure you get a bite on it and pull it out. Oh, lost my washer. Nice. Washer pre-repaired. Thank you. I have had some installations before where this pin actually hit the brake lever. That's another mess. There we go. And down. So now what we're going to do is we're going to slide this apart, slide our spring off, making sure we keep it in the same orientation it was on the original peg. And now we're just going to set this back into place. I'm wishing right now that my pin will magically fly into my hand. Oof, just like that. We're now going to slide it into the hole. Now throw our washer back on that magically reappeared. Thank you so much, Travis. Stick our cotter pin back in the hole. I'm usually going to straighten it just a little bit, just like so. And then you take your plier, you're going to pull one around one side, pinch it up, and the other to the other side. Just going to rotate that around. I like to push that guy up so nothing hangs down. And there you have it, the installation of the FLO Motorsports foot pegs. We're now going to do the same thing on the other side. Installation is identical, so we don't need to bore you with those details. It's exactly the same. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content coming your way just like this. A big thanks to FLO Motorsports for providing amazing products such as these. I'm Kyle. Until next time, take care and ride safe.